What's up, guys? Good morning. Just had some breakfast, having a cup of coffee now. We got to do a couple meet and greets today. We're going to show you guys around Sturgis, around the rally, around where the main drag is. All right, guys, we're here, Black Hills, Harley Davidson. Look at that view. Look at that view. Unbelievable view. We're here at C-Road 3D rig. I got a meet and greet in an hour, so we're just gonna take a walk around Factory 47 right there. Excellent bars. Factory 47 in the building. Really nice bars. Anyway, we're gonna take a walk around, show you guys around. Then I have meet and greet later. Yeah, that thing's pretty cool. Cooler underneath the seat. There you go. Got S&S cycle right here. The infamous S&S 475 camshaft, right? Our favorite camshaft. All right, we just talked to John over at S&S. Wow, a lot of awesome information. We got the boys right here. You fellas busy today? How you doing, man?
Good to meet you.
How are you? What's your name?
I'm hoping to run into you.
Oh, thanks. What's your name? Brian. Where you from?
Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Oh, nice to meet you,
Love
brother.
you, brother.
Yeah, thanks you, man. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm from really Amanda. My daughter set up my thing.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, brother. Thanks, man. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you, Brian. Thank you.
Oh. The guy that told everybody about the 114, the 107 to the 114.
Right. Yeah. I'll be here later, 10 o'clock.
Okay.
How you doing? Good. What's up, man?
I did a S&S 128 in mine.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. A lot of power. What's up, brother?
How was your
ride?
How
you been, man? Crazy.
I bet, dude. I was watching it.
What's up, brother? Just talking to Chris over here at Chromeworks. There's an exhaust here that's going on the new build. I'm not going to show you guys though, but it is badass. We're rocking the Legend suspension on Silverback. Excellent suspension system. Let's go take a look around, see what else is here. The place is getting busy. We're here at SADDLEMEN. Nothing but the best seats. Come on. We got Clockworks here, best windshields on the market. I don't know if you can't see Brian. It's busy somewhere. Hang on, where are you guys running off to? This is Brian and Heather from Life on the Blacktop. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys. Tell me a little bit about your YouTube channel, what you guys are doing.
Well, we do a lot of motorcycle travel stuff, and we are now venturing into a little bit of van life stuff. We're building a van, gonna take the bike with us and do some hopefully awesome trips. Looking forward to it.
That's awesome. Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description for your channel, guys. All right, so definitely check them out. Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate you.
Thanks, man.
All right, thank you. What's up, guys? We're at the Chromeworks rig. That friggin' trailer is full of exhausts. So anytime you're at a rally, come to the Chromeworks rig. They always got supply on hand. Look at this badass truck. Look at that thing. Look at this rig. Beautiful. So we got the awesome rig. I'll show you guys around all of the mufflers that they have over here. It's the ones I'm rocking. That is badass right there. Crazy Horse Memorial, which is all the way up there. We're gonna get the brief rundown, but from what I heard, it's gonna take probably about another 100 years to complete, and it's gonna be the biggest stone monument structure, I believe, on the planet. Is it on the planet, or it's something remarkable? The head, I think, is 90 feet tall, which is like 9 stories tall. Arm is like 200 feet out. It's supposed to be riding a horse. Amazing. Leave 7:30, 5 minutes.
Get us on there.
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good. My God, you remember these when we were kids? The old school bus.
No problem. Well, my name is Garrett. I'm going to take y'all up to the viewing area so you can see it a little bit closer, get some good photos. And then we'll be up there just for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Definitely stay tuned for the next videos. We're going to be going into Montana, Wyoming, right? Gonna go see Devil's Tower. Gonna do some riding on some different bikes. Harley's loaning me and Glenn some new bikes, so stay tuned. We're gonna put some heavy mileage on those puppies. Yeah, buddy. Oh, wow. That's crazy. Oh my God. That is crazy. You gotta walk the rest of the way up?
Did you all get a chance to watch the short film in the theater?
No.
Well, in that film they talk about Casimir rolling a bulldozer down the mountain. That's the D6 Caterpillar right there to the right.
Oh, right there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And that road we're passing on the right is how the workers and the equipment get up there.
Jeez. How long will it take to complete?
So, based on what I've seen in the phases, they're all 5 to 10 year phases. There's about 5 of them. So if we're on the short end, 25 to 30 years,
Wow.
get down to the base. And then if we're on the back end, then upwards of 45 years or so.
Jeez.
But I'm guessing we're going to be on the better end of things just because we're always finding better ways to do things and new technology that's speeding things up.
Oh my God.
Brakes don't like the dust. You're all absolutely welcome to grab any of the rocks that you find on the ground out here, and feel free to ask me any questions that you may have. Like I said, we have about 10 minutes or so.
Cool.
Oh yeah, the temperature drops fast when the sun goes down.
It's amazing. Compared to the face on Mount Rushmore, what are we talking as far as scale wise?
So the face here is 87.5, Mount Rushmore is 60 feet. And so Mount Rushmore can fit from the tip of his nose to where the rock turns dark behind his head there.
Are you kidding me?
Mount Rushmore is 205 feet wide if you measure it straight across.
Right.
His arm stretches almost 300 feet.
So this is
way
just
bigger.
Massive.
Substantially. So they removed 440,000 tons over there, and we have 10 million tons to remove. They did here for the beginning. It was
Oh, we're powered
as
hammers
of,
probably,
As
right?
of 2015, we started using this, which is a diamond embedded. So there's industrial diamonds in these
cutting
carbide
cord.
rings. Yeah,
Cutting
it's
cord,
a
yeah.
wire saw or cable saw is what they call
I've
it.
seen that.
Yep, just drill a hole through the stone, wrap it through. And
That's
it cuts like a
crazy,
bandsaw.
yeah.
Makes a nice, clean, smooth cut.
Wow.
Only a couple inches from grade. Super safe.
I just seen this video and the guy was just watering the line.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
Like a
keep it
diamond
cool.
saw and a
Yeah.
demo saw.
Yeah, essentially.
Wow.
Yep. So this is really speeding things up. It's a little over twice as fast as the process.
What's your name, brother?
I'm Garrett.
Garrett. Nice to meet you,
You
man.
as well.
Thank you.
Glenn.
Thank you.
Glenn, nice to meet you.
So this is the Welcome Center and Museum down below by Crazy Horse Memorial. We're going to be waiting about an hour for the light show. It's supposed to be absolutely out of this world.
Imagine having to stay in that.
So cool. It's like 20 feet tall. Headdress. Bad, huh? Yeah. Beautiful.
That's one thing. They were talented artists.
15 separate blasts.
Wow.
Closer view makes that more apparent.
Jeez.
All the delays in that blast ensured vibration control. This is how the 15 delays look in slow motion.
Holy cow. Like a knife through butter.
Ligation blast.
All the planning stages lead to step 13.
Load holes. We used to do
loading
that
the
on
blast. Several
we
kinds
built,
of high
78 to
explosives
watch
are
on
used in
mountains.
Crazy Horse.
They drilled and blasted. They use fertilizer.
And 287 north by me, by Skyline
Yep.
Drive. That wasn't
280,
there.
Same thing.
Yeah.
See, that's fertilizer. Put rocks over the top.
Yeah.
Detailed that is.
Wow.
Get the finished surface, you end up with
That's amazing.